In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect the TikTok pixel in your Wix dashboard. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access your site settings without any interruptions. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Wix organizes most of the important tools in the menu along the side, which makes it easier to find marketing features and integrations when you need them. From the side panel, look for the section labeled Marketing and SEO and click on it. This area is where Wix keeps tools related to promoting your website, tracking performance, and connecting outside platforms that help you understand your visitors and improve your campaigns. If your menu is collapsed, you may need to expand it first so you can clearly see the full option name. After opening Marketing and SEO, go to Marketing Integrations. This section is designed specifically for connecting third-party marketing tools to your Wix site. It's where you'll find different integration options for ad platforms, analytics services, and tracking tools. Depending on your dashboard view, you might need to scroll a little to see all available integration cards, so don't worry if it isn't immediately visible. Next, locate the TikTok Pixel module card. This is the item you'll use to connect TikTok tracking to your site. The module card usually includes the platform name and a button that lets you begin the setup. Once you find the TikTok Pixel card, click Connect. Clicking Connect starts the process of linking TikTok Pixel to your Wix site, so you can track user activity and support your advertising and marketing efforts more effectively. This connection is useful for measuring conversions, understanding visitor behavior, and improving how your TikTok campaigns perform over time. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds, especially if your browser has multiple tabs open. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double check that you're working on the right Wix site before connecting any marketing integration. Especially if you manage more than one website, that helps avoid confusion later when reviewing data and campaign results. And that's it for this part of the setup. You've now navigated to the correct area in Wix and selected the TikTok Pixel connection option.